many of you said my voice was struck and I didn't receive any proper comments. So again I'm telling you, take page number 26. Okay, take page number 26. First choose answer D. Okay, second question B, third question C, fourth B, fifth A, sixth A, seventh B, eighth D, ninth A, 10th B, 11th A, 12th B, 13th C, 14th B, 15th D, 16th B, 17th B, 18th A, 19th D, 20th B. Is it clear? Now take 21st question, page number 1. Page number 1, second line, reproduction. From the second line, last word reproduction is adilende aarambichukonga up to evolution and the paragraph full. Okay, up to evolution. Second question, 22nd question, mention the contribution of Hofmeister towards embryology. Hofmeister, you should write in page number 27 wherever the space is available. Okay, Hofmeister describe the structure of pole and tetrad. Describe the structure of pole and tetrad. Okay, next 23rd question. It is on the board, please copy that. Next question, 23rd question, page number 2. Page number 2, vegetative reproduction in stem. You can see do you know box. Behind the do you know box, there is vegetative reproduction in stem. Okay, sixth line, com ஆரம்பிக்குது பாருங்க, com amorphophallus, com ல இருந்து lilium வரைக்கும். Okay, com up to lilium. You have to write along with the bracket. Example சேர்த்து தான் எழுதணும், சரியா? Next, layering. 24th question, layering, page number 4. Last 3 line layering. Last 3 line layering. இந்த சைடுல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Layering last 3 line ஆரம்பிச்சு up to page number 4. Air layering ஓட end advantages க்கு மேல வரைக்கும். ஓகேவா? Separate pot or ground. Before advantages. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த paragraph ground ன்னு முடியுது பாருங்க, அது வரைக்கும். Layering கேட்டா ஃபுல்லா தான் எழுதணும். Okay, if it is asked in 2 mark question, you can short down that. Okay, if it is asked in 5 mark question, you have to write along with mound layering, air layering description. Okay, next, page number 2, adhaadu what are clones. Page number 2, 25th question, page number 2. First paragraph, last and the 4th line, 5th line. The individual formed by, the individual formed by this method irukku. Cancel this, adhu bala asexual method nu eludhukom. Okay, cancel this asexual, right? Asexual method is morphologically and genetically identical or called clones. That's all. 2 mark question. Next, 26th question, a detached leaf of bryophyllum. Page number 2. Page number 2. Last paragraph, vegetative reproduction in leaf. In that paragraph, first and the 5th line, in bryophyllum ஆரம்பிக்குது பாருங்க. In bryophyllum the leaf is succulent அதுல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு decade வரைக்கும் last end fifth line decade. Okay, next question, differentiate crafting and layering, page number 4. So crafting and layering, crafting paragraph last 3 line, crafting ஆரம்பிக்குது பாருங்க last 3 line, அதுல இருந்து crafting கேட்டிருக்காங்க layering கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So you have read already what is layering. அப்போ அந்த ground வரைக்கும் அதாவது page number 5 ல ground வரைக்கும் முடிச்சீங்க இல்லையா, இது வரைக்கும். Okay, so from this to this. Next 28th question I will give you in material, I mean in PDF. Okay, I will send you in group. Next 29th question, take page number 4, note it as 4 and 5. 29th question 4 and 5, mount layering and air layering. So from layering, and the layering இங்க exact mount layering air layering கேக்குறாங்க. So question is page number 5, answer is in page number 5. mount layering ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு ground வரைக்கும். Okay, ground layering mount ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு air layering வரைக்கும். Page number 5. Next 30th question, explain the conventional method adopted in vegetative meat production in higher plants, page number 4 and 5. So many of you have wrote some other answer for this question in a test. Okay, so listen carefully. Conventional method, page number 4 la conventional method இருக்கு பட் ஹெட்டிங் அதுல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு up to ground layering முடியுது இல்லையா, ground வரைக்கும். ஓகேவா? So you have to write cutting, crafting types, layering types. ஓகேவா? 30th question. Next 31st question, what is canthrophyly? What is canthrophyly? Pollination. Write it down, write it near that question. Okay, pollination carried out by beetle is called canthrophyly. Okay, pollination carried out by beetle. Okay, next after completing that, mark page number 17 in same question. This is first point, second point is in page number 17. Take page number 17. Page number 17, flow chart கீழ ஒரு first point இருக்கு பாருங்க. Flowers pollinated by flies and beetle produce foul odor to attract pollinators. That mark that point. அதுதான் second point. ஓகேவா? அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல flowers pollinated by flies and beetle இருக்கு. flies and அத மட்டும் அடிச்சிடுங்க. flies and அத மட்டும் கேன்சல் பண்ணிடுங்க. remaining is as it is. The flowers pollinated by beetle produce foul odor to attract pollinators. ஓகேவா? இந்த சைடுல இருக்க first point. சரியா? 31st question ஓட second point. Got it? Next 32 question. If you have space in 28, கீழ space இருக்கு அங்க எழுதிக்கோங்க. Dichogamy, hercogamy, self-sterility, heterostyle. Okay? Write without spelling mistakes. Dichogamy, hercogamy, self-sterility, heterostyle. Okay? Next, 33rd question, page number 10, endothelium. Page number 10. Next to the picture picture கீழ பாருங்க fifth line here fifth line in sum அப்படினு ஆரம்பிக்குது ஓகேவா from that point up to asterisk a family அது வரைக்கும் ஓகேவா fifth line in sum ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு example asterisk a முடியுது அது வரைக்கும் அது எண்டோதீலியம் next 34th question I'll send you in group put as m material போடுங்க I will send you in group next 35th question define term diplospory page number 24 page number 24 diplospory paragraph required 4 lines okay diplospory 4 lines next question what is polyembryony how it can be commercially exploited page number 24 and 25 polyembryony same page la last paragraph first 2 lines polyembryony paragraph first 2 line occurrence of more than one embryo in seed is called polyembryony first point okay next 25th page practical application irukliya and the paragraph full practical applications fully that's all okay we have 2 points now first two line in polyembryony paragraph practical application 4 lines that's all next question 37 question material okay next 38th question melitophily what is melitophily same thing pollination carried out by bees cantherophily la beetle எழுதணும் melitophily la bees எழுதணும் ஓகேவா next after marking the first point writing the first point mark second point in page number 17 take page number 17 characteristic feature of entomophilous flower adula third point பாருங்க flowers are centered produce nectar that's all and one point okay flowers are centered and produce nectar okay next page next question 39th question page number 7 and 8 page number 7 and 8 take page number 7 endothecium பாருங்க first அந்த paragraph last paragraph fully endothecium and hygroscopic வரைக்கும் ஓகேவா endothecium ல இருந்து hygroscopic வரைக்கும் next page number 8 first two lines third line the cell along the junction okay the cell along the junction ஆரம்பிக்குதுல அதுல இருந்து maturity வரைக்கும் okay up to maturity 39th question next question page number 40th question page number 8 functions of tapetum full up page number 8 last paragraph functions of tapetum 4 points fully next 41 question page number 9 pollen kit page number 9 see pollen kit paragraph pollen kit is contributed from pollen kit is contributed in the UV radiation vacuum okay the paragraph fully number 10. You have marked endothelium, right? Leave one line. Next line len parunga. If the sporogenous cell ஆரம்பிக்குது பாருங்க, அதுல இருந்து fairly large nucellus. If you are not clear with the answers, board la எழுதிருக்கிறது தெரியல அப்படினா view Thirumalai 46 அப்படின ஒரு பேஜ் இருக்கும். அந்த பேஜை கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you can view the board clearly. Okay, if you have any difficulty in viewing the board, please go for the page Thirumalai 46. I'll give you 5 minutes time. If you are not clear with this, please note it down. Okay, box, okay, so that we can know.
Write the questions and answers.
Those who have finished writing the code in இருக்கிறது எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்து எழுதி முடிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா please reply in chat box. Okay, I have finished அப்படினு போடுங்க. அப்பதான் அடுத்த क्वेश्चनக்கு மூவ் பண்ண முடியும். If the sporogenous cell அப்படினு ஆரம்பிக்குது பாருங்க. அதாவது astraceae முடிச்சிருப்பீங்க. ஏற்கனவே 33rd क्वेश्चन மார்க் பண்ணி முடிச்சிருப்பீங்க. leave one line. If the அப்படினு ஆரம்பிக்குது. அதுல இருந்து fairly large nucellus வரைக்கும். Okay, next question. 43rd question material போட்டுக்கோங்க. Next 45th question. 45 page number 17. Fertilization அப்படினு paragraph ஆரம்பிக்குது இல்லையா? The fusion ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு triple fusion வரைக்கும். Okay, triple fusion வரைக்கும். Next page number 20. Take page number 20. அதோட continuation தாமா. double fertilization triple fusion ஆரம்பிக்குது இல்லையா இதுல இருந்து both the male gametes third line both the male gametes ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு next page embryo வரைக்கும் got it from both the male gamete up to embryo. Okay, next page 49th question, what is endosperm, explain its type, page number 21 22. endosperm topic மட்டும் bracket பண்ணிக்கோங்க. next last line to third line ruminate endosperm 3 lines. Next 50th question, dicer and monopod. See page number 22 and 23 from sizer up to epithelium. So you have to draw dicot seed and monopod seed diagram. Okay va? If it is asked separately you can write. Okay, illati full ah eludano full ah padinga, it is a practical question also. Next page number 25, 51st question, page number 25, parthenopathy fully. Parthenopathy la third line in a number of cases adula inda aarambichi next last and the significance oda last point varaiku seeds varaiku. Okay, parthenopathy. That's all. Take page number 1 and now I am telling you an interior question which is hard question also. Okay va, idu padichittinga interior nu ketta answers panna mudiyum. Take page number 1, Panchan Mageshwari 2 mark question. Next page number 2, Terror of Bengal. Do you know it parunga? Terror of, what is Terror of Bengal nu kekkalam. Next natural methods. Adha parunga, the unit natural method la unit of reproductive structure used in the propagation or is called propagative reproductive propagutes or diaspore. That is 2 mark question. Next page number 4, what are the advantages and disadvantages of natural vegetative reproduction? 5 mark question. Next page number 5, advantages of conventional method. 5 mark question. Full up advantages and disadvantages. Next page number 6, page number 6 la the diagram irukku parunga, it can be asked. Next adhe page la page number 6 la first paragraph la last 4 line parunga, the gametic fusion is of 3 types, isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. Underline paniko. 1 mark question. In algae external fertilization takes place, in higher plants internal fertilization takes place. Okay, next take page number 7, TS of mature anther fully. 5 mark question. TS of mature anther la aarambichi next page 8 la parunga, page number 8 la connective varaikum. Okay, next page in page number 7 the diagram can be asked. Enna diagram pathana pole and grain stage vandu diagram kekkalam. Next secretory tapetum, invasive tapetum, 3 mark question. Page number 8 la. Next page number 8 la microspore paragraph parunga, what is exine, what is intine kekkalam. 2 mark question. Adutha page number 9, 1 mark question, second paragraph la parunga, 10 micrometer in Myosotis, 200 micrometer in Cucurbitaceae and Nyctingaceae. 1 mark question. Next do you know ellathiyum paathukonga, palynology kekkalam, what is cryopreservation kekkalam, what are the uses of bee pollen kekkalam. Adutha question, what is medicopalynology kekkalam. Okay, next parunga page number 9 la adhe page la what is generative nucleus, what is vegetative nucleus kekkalam. Next take page number 11, 10-11, types of ovule is very important 5 mark question. You have to draw along with the structure. Right along with the structure of diagrams also. Next page number 11 la megasporogenesis 2 mark question. Next page number 11 la development of monosporic embryo sac na ஆரம்பிக்கிருப்பாங்க அது ஃபுல்லா அதுல இருந்து next page ஃபுல்லா ஓகேவா 5 mark question along with structure of embryo sac diagram. Next page number 12, page number 13, page number 14, page number 15, page number 16, page number 17 and page number 18. இந்த பேஜ்ல உள்ளது எல்லாமே லைன் பை லைன் படிங்க. anything can be asked. அது முக்கியமா இந்த block letters இருக்குலையா அதெல்லாம் படிச்சுக்கோங்க. it can be asked in 2 mark or 5 mark. Next page number 18 ல பாருங்க do you know the second paragraph relationship between Yorka and Marthan இருக்கு பாருங்க. அது பாத்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி கேட்கலாம்னா what is the mutualism between explain the mutualism between Yorka and Marthan கேட்கலாம். அந்த paragraph ஃபுல்லா வரும். next paragraph பாருங்க அதே do you know ல what is called pollen nectar pollen or nectar robbers னு கேட்கலாம். next question last paragraph இருக்குல B orchid அந்த question book back question அதாவது வேற லெசனோட book back question ஆ வருது. So it is an important question, read that also. Page number 19, what is cap block? First paragraph la irukku parunga what is cap block. அடுத்தது types of ovule, important 5 mark question. Next entry of pollen tube into the ovule. மூணு டைப் இருக்குல diagram ஓட சேர்த்து எழுதணும் important 3 mark question. It is already asked in half yearly exam. Next page number 20, what is obturator? Okay, next question பாருங்க 21 page அந்த tabular column ல இருக்கிறது 1 mark ல கேட்கலாம். Next page number 22 functions of endosperm, important 3 mark question. Next அந்த do you know இருக்கு பாருங்க coconut milk coconut water 1 mark question ல கேட்கலாம். Next page number 24 apomixis ஃபுல்லா படிக்கணும். ஓகேவா apomixis up to parthenium apospore வரைக்கும் ஃபுல்லா படிக்கணும். apomixis paragraph ல எல்லாமே important. Okay, next பாருங்க polyembryony is another 5 mark question. Okay, that's all for first lesson ஓட interior and book back question முடிச்சாச்சு. ஒரு 4 question இருக்கு அதை நீங்க வந்து WhatsApp groupல நான் answers அனுப்புறேன். சரியா? So that's all for first lesson. On next class you have to take note along with you. ஏன்னா classical genetics பார்க்க போறோம். It is like a maths கிட்டத்தட்ட maths மாதிரி இருக்கும். So நான் போடும்போது நீங்களும் போட்டாதான் புரியும். ஓகேவா? So keep book along with you take a rough note and pen. அது இருந்தாதான் நமக்கு genetics புரியும். This is the basics. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் எல்லாமே genetics based lesson தான் வருது. Third lesson, fourth lesson, fifth lesson ல இருந்து. ஓகேவா? அதனால genetics important lesson. If you are not at all coming to the class, you can't able to understand what the remaining content are. Okay? Okay, thank you students. The homework is first lesson book back fully. See you next class.